Guys, just a quick project update on this 89 KX500. We're waiting. That's the original tank. We've got a brand new one on order because it's a little discolored. And we got a brand new custom seat and seat cover and graphics, but everything else on the bike, as you can see, the wheel has been polished brilliantly, as has the swing arm. It's got the custom green and gold chain. This is a DMC. There's a little bit of tape on there. DMC polished, original early 90s silencer. We went with the traditional KX rear fender. Got the new tank on order. We're thinking, since we have the polished aluminum forks, polished aluminum wheels, all the new brake hardware and everything, new polished aluminum radiators, oversized radiators. We polished the triple clamps. Thinking of getting a BBR polished gas cap to go with the look that we got. The BBR cap is pretty cool. It's polished and it has a like a gold tip on it. Yeah, things coming out really good. We're also thinking in the graphics that maybe Christy might put some chrome in the graphics that would pick up all the polished chrome everywhere else in the blue, purple fork boots. So we'll see what she comes up with, but she's gonna design the seat cover, custom seat cover, and full graphics kit. We've got the new tank and petcock coming. That's about the only thing that's not new on the bike. We do have the original pegs on there. We left those on there for a reason, and the original shifter, that's gonna get replaced. But when you restore a bike, it's bizarre. When you go this far, anything on the bike that's not perfect sticks out like a sore thumb, so you end up replacing pretty much everything. And when people wonder why it gets so freaking expensive, well, it takes a long time, and all these parts cost money. That's the new NOS ignition cover, NOS countershaft cover, all new hardware. So this thing's gonna be pretty pimped out when it's done. The icing on the cake will be the graphics, the seat cover, and everything else, so stay tuned. It's coming down the pike. On another note, the Manic Mechanic over here has been working on this badass ride for, Jeff, how long have we been working on this thing now?
Well, we started it probably a month and a half ago. It's been down at detail. It's been to me. I put it all together. We got 5 of these. We've been robbing some parts off. One's up on the 4th floor to make a nice bike, and we're almost there.
Describe what you did up front here, because this looks absolutely ridiculous.
Well, yeah, polished legs, painted calipers, painted center rotors, polished wheels, new tire.
The color combo just is ridiculous.
Oh, yeah.
It's super sexy. And you got the body kit's the original factory green and white, right?
Yeah, it's all in the cage over there. The plastic.
What's going on up in here?
We just got done polishing this. I just secured all the bolts, put new bolts in this thing. I'm ready to start putting the plastic on.
This is beautiful. I know Carlos is, I don't have the work order from detail, but I know he spent a ridiculous amount of time. Him and Ronnie and John Lee, the 3 of them worked on this for a couple of weeks.
Check out the brand new chain I just put on it. That's nice too.
That just pops. You know, this really ties in.
Yeah.
The whole color combo is ridiculous.
Black sprocket gold chain and anodized gold nuts. It's just...
The attention to detail is off the hook, and the wheel looks ridiculous. What kind of tires did you put on it?
Those are, these are Dunlops. They're called...
Are they radials or?
Yeah. Oh, they're appropriate tires for this sport bike. They're Sport Max Dunlops.
What are you putting for exhaust on it? Is it a Yoshi or was that one?
It's a stock head pipe with a
slip-on.
With a slip-on. I believe it was a Yoshimura slip-on.
I just love the way now, there's no chrome on this bike, guys, except for on the fork tubes. This is all polished aluminum, which is it's a lot of work, but it has like a deep, rich look that you only get from lots of hard work and elbow grease. It takes a long time to get a frame and wheels that look like this. Trust me, it's coming out amazing. Stay tuned. This one will be done probably in a week or so. Probably 2 weeks out on this. Ordering the custom graphics, the fuel tank. We're putting the KX250 tank on it. It's already got the bars and everything else done, but the icing will be on the cake soon. Next one up is this WR500. We're gonna completely go through this. This is a all original seat cover, wheels, decals, everything. We're gonna go right this, make this one look new too. Got some Elsinore madness going on. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. Nope, not even 5. This one here is number 6, Wizard spinning some wrenches on. What do we got here? What year is this one?
This is a 1975. Got 200 pounds of compression.
Wow. Yeah, this one has a new piston and rings in it. That's why. Yeah.
And good spark, but it's got some other issues. I'm watching. We're gonna kind of figure out which ones are the best and
So
what to do.
Don't we have 2 more down in the basement? Isn't there?
This is one of them, and I just brought 2 of them.
So up on the 3rd floor is number 7, right? That one's pretty much done, isn't it?
Yeah,
number 7.
I brought that down the detail.
Oh, cool. So we
Yeah,
have
you finish that one.
we have one that's done. We have 6 more brewing. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna restore all these Elsinores 74, 5, 6. What's the? Do we have any 77s or 78s? Or are they all
I think so far all I've seen is 74s, 5s, and 6s.
cool?
Yep.
So-
There's a 79. There's also a 1980.
We got some. Yeah, we have an 80. I think we have an 81 250 coming down the pike too.
Looks like it, yeah.
Got some cool vintage iron coming your way, guys. And a PE 250 that's almost ready for prime time. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. God bless America.